Hello aspirants, welcome to the channel. So I am Basha. In this video I am going to explain a simple trick that can be very useful while solving the quadratic equations, and that also without guessing the factors. So for example, take this example. So in general, how to solve this in general, how everyone will solve this equation is, for example, here we will take the factors of 192. So for example, we have two factors. Just take, okay, so just take 96 into 2, 192, right? We'll take these two factors and we will check whether these two factors, the sum of these two factors is equal to 32 or not. Okay, and similarly we'll take another factors and similarly another factors. Okay, generally we'll solve the quadratic equation like this. Okay, and there is a small problem while solving this method. So that is, for example, if there is a number, okay, and you cannot able to find the factors. Okay, in such cases, and the method which I'm going to say is very helpful. Okay, and the method is very simple. Okay, the first step is we have to take this number, so which is minus 32. I'm taking as minus 32. Okay, and the next is we just need to write it as minus 16 and minus 16. Okay, just half of the 32 is 16. I'm writing like that. Okay, and the next step is take this thing minus 16, take whole square minus, just take x square. Okay, and that is equal to, take this thing, it is a plus 192, right? I'm writing as plus 192, and try to find out the x square. Here x square is equal to 16 square is 256, right? And this will go this side and minus 192. The difference between this is here 8 plus 56 is 64. X square is 64, and what is the x value? It is plus or minus 8. Okay, after finding the x value, what we have to do is we have plus or minus 8. Okay, it is plus 8 and minus 8, right? And take this thing and just add here. It is plus 8 plus 8. Okay, and take this thing and just add here. It is minus 8 minus 8. Okay, the summation of these two is nothing but minus 24, right? And the summation of this is minus 16 plus 8 is what? It is minus 8, right? Minus 8. So what we'll get is minus 24 and minus 8, right? And these are the factors. Okay, we find out the factors. Okay, and the roots are nothing but, we just need to change the sign. If it is minus, we have to change it to the plus. If it is plus, we have to change it to the minus. The roots is nothing but plus 24 and plus 8. That's it. We actually find out the roots. Okay, without doing any factorization. Okay, and I'm going to take another example, another kind of the quadratic equation, and I'm going to explain that also. Okay, and let's take another equation, that is x square plus 28x plus 195, that is equal to 0. Okay, that's the step. The first step is take this thing plus 28. Okay, and write it as a plus 14 and plus 14. Okay, and take this one, do square plus 14 whole square minus x square, that is equal to this value. It is plus 95 plus 195. I'm taking as plus 195. Okay, after that we have to calculate the x square. It is nothing but 196. This will come this side, minus 195. It is nothing but 1. X square is equal to 1. What is the x? It is plus or minus 1. Okay, which means plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, take this thing here. Okay, it is nothing but plus 1 and minus 1. Is nothing but 14 minus 1 is a 13. 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, we get a values 13 and 15. These are what? These are the factors. Remember that. Okay, and the roots is nothing but the change of the signs. It is nothing but minus 13 and minus 15. Minus 13, minus 15 are the roots. Okay, okay, and you might get a doubt. What if we have the odd number? Okay, for example, you have the 28. In 28, you can write as a plus 14 and plus 14. What if we have the odd number? So the process is the same. Okay, and I'm going to tell that equation. Okay, so let us consider this equation. We have the x square minus 19x. Sorry, it's plus 19x minus 120. That is equal to 0. Okay, and here this process is same. Just need to take plus 19. Okay, and half of 19. We just take to half of 19. It is nothing. I'm taking as 19 by 2. Okay, here also plus 19 by 2. Okay, and the next step is taking a square, 19 by 2 whole square minus x square, that is equal to, here we have minus 120. Have to take minus 120. Okay, the signs are very important here. Okay, and 19 square is 361, right? 361 minus 4, and here minus 21 minus 120 comes this side plus 120, that is equal to x square. Okay, here it is nothing but 4 126 480, right? 361 plus 480 upon 4. Okay, and that is nothing but 1 4 841 by 4, which is nothing but x square value is nothing but 841 by 4, right? And it is nothing but 841. Root of 841 is 29, right? So 29 by 2. Okay, I have to remember it is plus or minus. Okay, so what I have to do is just need to add this to these things. Okay, so here it is nothing but I'm taking as a plus 29 by 2 here. Okay, and minus 29 by 2 here. Okay, so after solving we'll get it is minus 10 by 2, which is minus 5, and it is 29 plus 90 is 48. 48 by 2 is 24, right? It is plus 24. Okay, so we get the factors as plus 24 and minus 5. These are the factors, remember that. And roots are nothing but the change of the signs. It is nothing but minus 24. Here we have the plus 5. Minus 24 and plus 5 are the roots. Simple. Okay, and this is how you have to solve when it is in an odd number. Okay, the process is same, just you need to be very fast in calculations and multiplications, and also you have to be very good in calculating the square roots. Okay, okay, I'm going to take another question and I'm explaining that. Okay, and let's take the another question. We have x square plus 44x minus 192, that is equal to 0. Okay, I'm taking a 44, it is plus 44. Okay, I'm taking as a half of that is plus 22, and plus 22, I'm taking square of plus 22 minus x square, that is nothing but here minus 192, it is 484 plus 192, that is equal to x square, it is nothing but 6, it is 7 6, x square is equal to 676. From this we can say that x is equal to plus or minus 26. Okay, I'm taking as plus 26 here and minus 26 is here. Okay, it is nothing but 48, and it is nothing but here we have minus 4. So plus 48 and minus 4 are what? They are the factors, and the roots are nothing but the change of signs, minus 48 plus 4. So minus 48 plus 4 are the roots of this particular equation. Okay, here remember the signs are very important. Okay, you have to consider minus, and you have to consider it is minus, you also have to consider minus here. Okay, and I'm going to take another thing, another problem. Because there is another kind of equation, so that is 4x square minus 9x plus 2. So where we have values before x square, so here we have 4. So in these cases what we have to do is we have to take a common like I'm taking 4 as a common. Okay, it is x square minus, it will become 9 by 4x, it will become 2 by 4, that is equal to 0. And from this we have to consider the same process. We have to repeat the same process in which we have done previously. So it is we have to take the half of we have to take minus 9 by 4, and we have to take half, which is 9 by 8, and minus 9 by 8. Okay, and after that we have to take the square root minus x square, that is nothing but here plus 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2, right? Plus 1 by 2. So and it is nothing but 81 by 64, and it will come this side minus 1 by 2, that is equal to x square, and this is nothing but 64 81 2 32 is 64 32, and it is nothing but 49 by 64. Okay, this is x square, right? And from this we'll get x is equal to plus or minus 7 by 8. Okay, and simply we'll take plus 7 by 8 and minus 7 by 8 here. Okay, and this is nothing but minus 7 minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2, minus 2 by 8 is minus 1 by 4, right? And here we got minus 16 by 8, okay, which is minus 2. Okay, here we get minus 2. Okay, so in final we'll get a minus 1 by 4 and minus 2 are the factors. And the next thing is the roots is nothing but we have to change the sign. So plus 1 by 4 plus 2 are the factors. Okay, this is how you have to solve when there is a number as a x square coefficient. Okay, another type of the quadratic equation. Okay, here we have x square minus 3x minus 2/8. Okay, if you try to solve this problem while by factorization, it may take some time. Okay, and let us solve by using this method. We have the minus 3. Okay, I'm just writing as minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Okay, and after that I'm taking minus 3 by 2, I'm doing the square minus x square, that is equal to, here it is minus 2/8. Okay, 3 by 2 is nothing but 9 by 4, and plus 2/8 that is equal to x square. And it is nothing but 400, and 8 fours is 32. Sorry, 8 twos is 4 twos is 800, and 832. 832 plus 9 by 4, that is equal to x square, is nothing but 841 by 4. It is nothing but 841 by 4. 841 is nothing but 29, right? And after doing the square root, we will get a plus or minus 29 by 2. Okay, and I'm taking plus 29 by 2 here and minus 29 by 2 here. Okay, minus 29 by 2 here. Okay, and if you solve this, 29 minus 3 is 26. 26 by 2 is 13. And we have plus 13. Here we have it is minus. So it is 32 by 2, it is minus 16. Okay, and we got plus 13 and minus 16 are the factors, and root is nothing but the change of the signs. It is minus 13 and plus 16. Okay, and this is all about this video. Okay, and what I'm suggesting is, okay, if the factors, okay, this you have to find out the factors of this number. Okay, if you're able to find the factors within 10 to 15 seconds, it's fine. Okay, if you take more than 10 to 15 seconds, okay, then use this particular strategy or method. You will easily get the factors, and then you can find out the roots. Okay, and this is all about this video, guys, and do subscribe the channel for more this kind of videos. And thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.